Here I will give you another example which can be solved in other way. Here you see the question: evaluate the function u of xy satisfying del square u equal to 0 at the lattice point given the boundary values as this one. So here you see no particular method is mentioned. So you have to use either Lyman iteration method or direct method also you can use. My motive to give you this method is to show you that in other method also, if no method is given, you can use the direct method to find the solution for this Laplace equation. So here we can solve it by two method. Let us use the method 1. So you see here the interior grid points are u1, u2, u3 and u4. So if I find u1, it will involve some unknowns u2 and u3. If I find u2, it will involve u1 and u4. If I find u3, it will involve u1 and u4. And if I find u4, it will involve u3 and u4 by the standard 5-point formula. All those boundaries I know. So this is also symmetric problem, but we cannot do it in symmetric way. So let us do in the normal standard way. How can we do it? Here you see, suppose I want to find u1. So from the standard 5-point formula, u1 can be obtained as the average of these 4 points. So u1 equal to 1 by 4, 2000 plus 1000 plus u2 plus u3. And this I will get from standard 5-point formula. Here we cannot use the symmetric problem method because here no central lines, vertical or horizontal. So we cannot consider this is the symmetric problem. And so u1 will be nothing but this one. So if I further simplify, I will get 4u1 is equal to 3000 plus u2 plus u3. Let me denote it as equation 1. Now let us go for u2. u2 will be nothing but 1000, 1 by 4 into 1000 plus 500 plus u4 plus u1 by standard 5-point formula. And so we will get u4 equal to 1 by 4 u1 plus 1000 plus 500 plus u4. And so 4 u2 equal to 1500 plus u1 plus u4. Let us write it equation 2. Then we will go for u3. u3 is nothing but average of 2500 u4 and u1. And so we will get u3 is 1 by 4, 2000 plus u1 plus u4 plus 500 by standard 5-point formula. And we will get 4 u3 equal to 2500 plus u1 plus u2. Let us denote it u3, equation 3. Similarly u4 we can get as 0 plus 0, average of 0 plus 0, u3 plus u2. And so 4 u4 equal to u3 plus u2. So let us think this one as equation 4. Now you can see that equation 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equations and how many unknowns? u1, u2, u3 and u4. So this equation 1, 2, 3 and 4 can be rewritten as 4u1 minus u2 minus u3 equal to 3000, and call it equation 5. u1 minus 4u2 plus u4 is equal to minus 1500, call it equation 6. u1 minus 4u3 plus u4 equal to minus 2500, call it equation 7. u2 plus u3 minus u4 is equal to 0, denote it as equation 8. Now equation 5, 6, 7, 8 are 4 equations involving 4 unknowns. Therefore we can solve them. Now you see, we can eliminate u1 from 5 and 6 and 6 and 7. So eliminating u1 from 5 and 6 and 6 and 7, we will get 15 u2 minus u3 minus 4 u4 equal to 9000, and 4 u2 minus 4 u3 is equal to minus 1000. And similarly eliminating u4 from 8 and 9. So this is my 8 and this is my 9. So I can eliminate u4 from 8 and 9. So I will get 14u2 minus 2u3 is equal to 900. Now solving, so this is 4u2 minus 4u3 equal to minus 1000, and this is 14u2 minus 2u3 equal to 9000. So if we solve 10 and 11 for u2 and u3, we will get u2 equal to this 791.7, u3 equal to 1041.7. From equation 5, if we put these values in equation 5 here, we can and simplify it, we can get u1 is equal to 1208.4. Now putting u1, u2, u3 in equation 6, we can have u4 equal to 458.4. So this is the solution in the interior grid point. This is called the direct method because there is no need to iterate the thing. Now how can we know that we will apply the direct method? If there is no mention that using Lyman method or any other method, you can go for this method also. There is no harm at all. If it is mentioning for Lyman method, you have to use the Lyman method. So method 2 is nothing but Lyman method. You can consider here, you see, you can consider any one of the variable non-value and you can go for the other variable. So what you do here, suppose u4 you want to consider, so you consider u4 in such a manner this will be close to these points or these points. So you can consider, suppose I will consider 400, then also it is fine, or I can consider u4 equal to 0, that also fine. So you have to consider this value seeing the nearby values, and then we can go for the iteration of the solution by using Lyman iteration method. Another problem I want to just state the problem. The problem is, suppose we want to solve the Laplace equation uxx plus uyy equal to 0 over the square mesh of side 4 units satisfying the following boundary conditions. So here also no method is mentioned, so you can use the direct method also, but boundary condition you have to find for that. What are the boundary condition? U of 0 comma y equal to 0 and y lies between 0 to 4. Whatever value of y it may be, if x is 0, the value of u will be 0, and u of 4y is equal to 12 plus y. Whatever value of y between 0 to 4, if x is 4, I can have the value of u as 12 plus y. And similarly, u of x0 is equal to 3x, for x lies between 0 to 4. So whatever value of x may be between 0 to 4, if y is 0, the value will be 3 into x. U of x4 equal to x square, for x lies between 0 to 4. So from the boundary condition you see that the minimum value of y is 0 and maximum value is 4, and minimum value of x is 0, maximum value is 4. So we have a square with side 4 by 4. So we have to subdivide that thing by taking the unit step size. So unit step size means h equal to k equal to 1, and we will construct the boundary values. Suppose this point, now I will go to this point. In this point, what will be the value here? 0. So this is x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So I am getting here 0, and here let me show x equal to 1, and x equal to 4. So I will get here first x equal to 0, y equal to, so suppose I will go for this one, x equal to 0, y equal to any value between 0 to 4. So what will happen? It will be 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now similarly I will go to the second boundary, x equal to 4, y. Whatever value of y it may be, it will be 12 plus y. So 4 means this one the boundary. So suppose I take y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 means this one, and what will be that value? Y equal to 1 means this one. What will be the value? That will be 12 plus 1, 13. 12 plus 1, 13. Now if I take y equal to 2, u for 2 will be 12 plus 2, 14. This is the value. If I take y equal to 3, I will get 12 plus 3, 15. If I take y equal to 4, 12 plus 4 will be 16. So these are the boundary values corresponding to x. Now let us find the boundary value corresponding to y. So u of x0 equal to 3x. If I take y equal to 0, y equal to 0 is this one. So y equal to 0, suppose I take x equal to 0. So y0, x0 is 0. So this is 3 into 0 is 0. So 0. And again, if I take x equal to 1, y is 0, this one is y is 0. And so I will get 3 into 1. So 3. If I take x equal to 2, here 2, u2 0 will be 3 into 2, 6. And u3 0, 3 into 3 will be 9. And u4 0, 3 into 4 will be 12. So this is the boundary condition corresponding to y0. Then similarly the boundary condition corresponding to y4. y4 means we will go for this one. So this is y4, this line is y4 because this is y axis. So y is fixed. Now we will go u of 1 4 is x square, means 1 square 1. U of 2 4 is 2 square, that is 4. U of 3 4 is 3 square, that is 9. U of 4 4 is nothing but 4 square 16. So these are the boundary condition, and u1 u2 u3 u4 u5 u6 u7 u8 u9 are the interior grid point where we have to find the solution. So here after this you can follow the usual process and you can find the value of u1 u2 u3 u9 and improve them by Lyman method, or you can use the direct method and you can solve it. It is depending upon the question, you have to decide.